might be able to guess, if you can see what these items are, what we're going to be making. Right now, we are actually in my porch. We are not at the library, as I'm sure you can tell with the Christmas tree. I have Prancer Dancer right over here. Because of the snow, I'm doing my video from home, and I wanted to let you know that we are missing one of the items that is gonna come in your bag the day you pick this up, and that is candy corn, which would be for a candy corn nose. So what we're gonna be making today is actually a marshmallow snowman. So you can see, sorry, my dog's making me laugh. You have 2 marshmallows, 3 pretzel sticks. We have a nice cookie base I have right here, as well as some chocolate chips. And like I said, we're missing that candy corn nose, but you'll know what to do with it when you get it. Okay, the first thing I did was put like a base of frosting, which you'll also receive in the little cup, on my cookie base so that my snowman will stay intact. Next, I find it's easier to use a pretzel stick to connect both marshmallows. And you're gonna see that your stick is a little bit longer than your actual 2 marshmallow guys. So all you're gonna do is squish them down and then break off the cup. I'm gonna attach them to our base, like so. Next are your pretzel arms. I know I gave you 2, but these are kind of long. If you take a look here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break one in half and make them a little smaller, just so that it looks a little more proportioned. Alright. Next step is to use our chocolate chips to make some eyes. I'm just going to scoop it right in the frosting. Don't be afraid to get a lot on there. The frosting is going to act as your glue. And once again, I can't see what I'm doing, but hopefully he's looking A-okay. My dog doesn't seem to mind, so that's good. And the rest of your chips can be used for his buttons on his coat. Last but not least, like I said, we do not have the candy corn, but we would put a little frosting on there and stick it right there as his nose. And there he is, your own little marshmallow / cookie / pretzel Frosty the Snowman. Thank you so much for joining me in my home. I hope you guys have the happiest of holidays, a wonderful new year, and hopefully we'll see you at the library in 2020.